Hello there, my beauties. When I sit here engaging in my lovely vaporizer that I'm smoking, I just want to share some dubious speculation. I'm quoting Ben Cohen's favorite phrase of dubious speculation. So what I've noticed in the market is there's quite a few alts that haven't really performed as well as the main alts. A few of these being, BitShares, SEC, SEC, what else? Like Zem, top 10 market cap coin, ICP, like there's loads of them, but they all are Aeon as well. They seem to be doing the same pattern. And I have some dubious speculation here that there's a few coins that have performed as well as they should. ETH, the main caps for the most part, but then with the exception of like KCS, for example, I have a 5 count in KCS, and I also have been looking at BitShares and trying to work out what the fuck is going on it in the sense of the count. So I'll leave that there. Go back onto CoinTrader Pro, and you can see what I think actually might be going on. I think there's two options, right? This is actually initially I thought this was the start of like um this move was the start of a new a new uh new bull market for this coin in particular, but it's actually possible. Like I thought, yeah, I thought this is what I thought. This is a one, this is a two, and this is off we go to the races. But it's possible that this is still correcting this move down here. So this is a 5 there, right? And then with you get an ABC, right? You get a sorry, you've got it there. What if with an ABC you get three parts of the ABC, 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 right? To make like a ABC overall. But what if this is an ABC? Because to be quite honest with you, I couldn't get a count in that was if I tried to do a 1, 2, 3. Well, that's invalidated. It's invalidated the 4, right? So that's not right. So what if this is an ABC? And what if look at this? This is tagged up to the 618 of this, right? And that's very normal. What if it's making my favorite bottoming pattern, which is the old impulse down, buy a step in, hit this level, double bottom, off we go. What if it's doing that? And that would make more sense because um, a lot of these alts have not performed as well as they should have. But they're still correcting. And what if the main alts, such as Ethereum and um, Bitcoin and KCS and pretty much all of the other ones that have been doing very well, they're correcting. They start correcting, and the liquidity goes into these things because these are going to correct. This is going to finish correcting before the others do, if that makes sense. And these haven't even got started yet. So my dubious speculation is that yeah, this makes sense. BTS, for example, will go down to here. While this is going down to here, let me find my Bitcoin chart. I have two counts for my Bitcoin chart at the moment. So one of them, sorry, one of them being like this is a. So I'll show the count at the moment. So we've got this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and we're gonna have a correction, and it's gonna be big and long and take ages, right? Just as this 5 count took 1,000 days, the ABC will be on the same sort of time frame as it. So this is the previous correction. It didn't take that long actually. It took about 400 something days. So maybe we get a correction for like that long. And I think it would be likely to head at least back to this level, which is at the very least here, 20k. Preferably, I'd like it to retest these fib levels, just as this correction did over here. To be fair, this one's a bit funky because so like this correction went to the 3.8, right? Okay, interesting. And that's from previous low. Let me take it from there. Previous low, look at that. Bang. All right. This is interesting. This is very interesting. I'm getting excited. We just put a level there. So this is from the previous low. So this is a bull run and this is a bear run, and that did it corrected to 3.820. So with that in mind, let me kill these ones real quick. Take a new fib from here. Oh wow, look at that. All right, interesting. 20k, bang on. So if previous corrections are something to go off, this is probably going to correct to about at the very minimum again this area here. 20k. It's huge volume, great fib levels, previously proven. So what would that sort of look like? I actually, so sorry, back to my, I'm getting distracted here. Back to my counts, right? This could be a completed 5 wave, right? Or we've got another count that I'm quite interested in, is that this is a completed 5 wave up here, and this part here is actually some sort of extended B wave, right? And we're gonna get a C down to here. Let me show you the path of that. Something like that. It's not gonna be a micro. It's gonna be intermediate. Something along those lines. So I'm gonna put that in red. That's the red correction. So something like that. And then we'll continue going up from there. Dubious speculation. Also, this, to be really quite honest with you, like this isn't that crazy. This is just done a retrace back to these levels. It might push up from here, but again, I've been leaning on to the side of things are about to get a bit crazy for Bitcoin because of that really. This is very overstretched, and also I think the stock market's going to fucking dump as well at the moment, and that will take everything out. Everything's been overstretched for ages, so I think it's going to be like a whole market reset. I don't want to say the Great Reset, so that's interesting that things are looking not so bad on that chart. Back to what I was speculating is that if this does a C wave of correction, right, then something like BTS is in the final stages of the C wave, the C of C, and this could be quite a nasty one. Then after that, C of C is done. Then we can start or continue this 1, 2, 3, 4. Off we go. And I genuinely believe that BTS is going to do some crazy shit in the near foreseeable future, because of the nature of what they're doing right now with the development. The coin is incredibly undervalued, in my opinion. We're actually going to take these off the fib. So something like, what's the 61618? Fuck it, leave it back on that now. This is dubious speculation, but I think we've got another leg down to go, and that makes sense for the majority of coins that haven't popped yet. So there's a majority of coins, like even Litecoin, for example. Let me have a look at Litecoin. This has not popped as much as it should have. It has done. Ooh, okay. Just get rid of this shit. It's done a. Oh, this looks interesting actually. This looks very interesting. I've got a count here. What have we got here? That's a 1, 2. Could be a. Do you know what? This is a weird chart. I'll be real with you. This is a weird chart. To Alright, let's just call. Okay, I'm seeing it a bit clearer with more resolution. Alright, this is a 1, 2. Where's the RSI so I can confirm this? Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, that's a completed count there, and this whole thing here is a correction. Now this could also be da, da, da. This could be a. So there's a few things here. That'd be pretty mad if that's a bloody B wave, and then we're gonna get a C even lower. I don't think that's the case. I think this is the start of. This is a 1, 2, 3. So 3 peaked above there. We're gonna get a fifth wave now. What's the RSI looking like? Yeah, that's about a 3 wave, I would say. It's interesting actually. So this could even be finished. This is the final. This is an A, B, C, flat, like that. If it doesn't break these levels, that's done. Straight up, that is fucking done out here. It's a flat. It's a fucking flat right there. Um, Interesting, man. This doesn't look too bad. It just really depends on what Bitcoin does. Bitcoin and Ethereum. Anyways, I've just been rambling, but my dubious speculation, just to wrap it up, is that if we get a C wave on the broader crypto market, that in turn will. Where the fudge? There we go. If we get a C wave like this, it might not even go as low as that. We could get a flat. Honestly, we could get a flat to here. But there's a C wave coming, right? This might even. I'd be surprised if it is. There's a C wave coming before something else. If we get the C wave that I'm thinking, right, that will start the next cycle for cryptos. All the ones that are not popped, that haven't popped yet, like this, BTS, will start their wave 1. They will start their cycle and they will pop differently. Anyways, that's my dubious speculation. Thank you for listening and my rambling. This video is informational purposes and it's more for me, to be honest with you. I don't really give a fuck if you watch it or not. I'm just gonna put this here so I can look back and see how my trading has improved or not improved. Thank you.